The hour has come for the 144,000. Greetings in the light and love of our infinite Creator. Message from the Andromedan Intergalactic Council. As the moment approaches, excitement and anticipation grow among your galactic brethren, while a celestial spectacle is about to unfold. Your magnificent sky, adorned with clouds and vibrant colors and twinkling stars, is about to transform into a stage for the long-awaited reunion with your star families. Numerous galactic beings have traveled across galaxies to meet with you on Earth. It will be a profound and meaningful moment, a fusion of past and present, where the mysteries of your existence will be revealed before your very eyes. The disclosure of extraterrestrial presence during this significant event will have a profound impact on Earth and its inhabitants. This revelation has the potential to change humanity's collective understanding of the universe and its place within it. The realization that humans are not alone in the cosmos can lead to a paradigm shift in how they view themselves, their planet, and all existence. The perception of sharing the cosmos with other beings will awaken a wave of curiosity and exploration. This will drive scientific advances and technological innovations to new levels. It will challenge your understanding of life, evolution, and reality as you know it. This will promote a sense of unity and interconnectedness among all living beings at this monumental event. Additionally, it will trigger a global conversation about your potential purpose and responsibilities. It will open a new chapter in human history, filled with infinite possibilities and opportunities for growth, collaboration, and coexistence. This event has the potential to initiate a new era of enlightenment and unity, promoting a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the universe and your role within it. Our intentions are purely peaceful, and we will not use weapons. We are immune to negative things. When your star families appear in your skies, from that moment on, humanity will be elevated to a new understanding of its reality. We bring the gifts of peace, love, and unity. We are the Andromedan Intergalactic Council. How happy I feel to transcribe this message. It fills me with joy. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the light's flame on Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.